In this video, I'm going to show you how you can design these handprint or fingerprint keepsake crafts on Canva. I really like these products because they are pretty simple to make because you only really have to make the background image. We're going to be designing for Mother's Day today, but you can really do these for various occasions like birthdays, Father's Days, Easter, St. Patrick's Day. The first thing we're going to do is come to Etsy and get some inspiration, see what is selling well. So we can see this donut design is a bestseller. This is cute. I see a lot of just flowers or plants. Some have poems. And now let's look at the fingerprint ones. Some more donuts, little bees. I really like this You Light Up My World one. Something like this is really easy to make. You just have to write the poem. And it's also for siblings, so that's a little twist on it. But okay, let's head over to Canva now and get started with our designing. On Canva, open up a new design of 8.5 by 11 inches. And the first design we're going to create is one of those plant or flower ones with the handprint. So I'm going to come over here to elements and let's type in flower. I'm going to filter the elements by free. And I'm looking for something with a nice long stem. Maybe this. I'm going to add a couple and we'll see what works the best. Not really seeing anything yet. Let's keep looking. Maybe this. Also not loving that. Maybe this actually. Let's delete these two. Okay, one more search. I'm going to do plant. Oh, we need a pot. So let's grab one of these pots actually. What pot do we want? Let's do this one. Okay, I think we're going to make these two elements work. So first we're going to crop this. We just want the pot. And now we're going to put these together. And we're going to crop out the flower. Go as low as you can without cropping out that leaf. Okay, let's make the pot bigger. Let's make the stem a little bit bigger. Now I'm just going to add it in a square and change it to white. Actually, let's cover up the flower first. And then let's change it to white. And now search for a handprint. Add that in. I'm going to make it pink. And you're just going to size it down a little bit. So yeah, it looks like this has to be smaller because you want there to be enough room. Move that square. And there you go. They put their little handprint right there. Now you can add some text. So we saw some poems. You could do Happy Mother's Day. You can do the I love my mom because. I think we'll do that. So I'm going to add a text box and say, I think I want to add a Happy Mother's Day to the pot as well. Now let's add some lines. I'm going to change the weight to 2. Now that we have our base design all finished, I would add some more clip art, some more graphics to make your product unique. A problem I see a lot of beginners have is that they copy other people's designs exactly and they add no twist of their own. Nothing separates their product from the other 20 on the marketplace. So for this one, I'm thinking maybe we just add some butterflies, maybe some flowers, just to make it a little prettier. These are really pretty butterflies, actually. Wow. I don't like that you can't change the colors on that one. So let's do this one maybe. Little butterfly, little butterfly. Let's add some hearts in there. And that is our final design. Remember that this would be the image that you put on your listing photos just to show how the craft would look. But what you're really uploading to Etsy is this without the handprint, so they can put in their own handprint. Now I'm going to show you how to make that lightning bug one that I saw because I really like it, but it's just a little more complicated than this one. So I'm going to add a new page. The first thing we'll need is a mason jar. Type that in. Look at this one. Oh no, that's not going to work. So let's use these. I'm going to crop this and just use the little one and make it bigger. Now I'm going to add some text. Now we're going to add some fireflies in. So let's see what Canva has for fireflies. Oh wow, really not much. Nothing we can really use. So I'm going to head over to Creative Fabrica and see what they have for fireflies. I absolutely love Creative Fabrica. I come here all the time for commercial use fonts and graphics. I think right now they have a membership for only $60, so definitely hop on that if you are interested. But seriously, I get so distracted on here sometimes. Like I'll spend an hour downloading different fonts. Okay, I see this firefly. I just want something that's like minimalistic. Oh, like this. We're gonna download this to our computer and unzip the file. I uploaded the Firefly PNG to Canva. Now I'm going to just drop that in there and put some around the jar. After you're happy with your fireflies, come back to Element and search for a fingerprint. Let's add that in there. And you're going to cover all the fireflies with the fingerprint. Then I'm going to add some string lights up top. Now let's just put some fingerprints over the hearts. Remember, this doesn't have to look absolutely perfect because it's not going to look perfect when the kid does the craft. It's probably going to look really messy, TBH. And that would be what we use in our listing photos. And then for the actual upload to Etsy, you remove all the fingerprints so they can put on their own. If you'd like a little shortcut and don't feel like designing from scratch or trying to figure out what elements all go together, I made some templates for you guys. These will be up in my PLR shop for only $5 for the next week. I unfortunately can't include this lightning bug design because I don't have the licensing rights for these fireflies. So if you want to make something like this, definitely get that Creative Fabrica membership. Again, I have it linked down below. Thanks for watching this video to the end. I really hope this tutorial was helpful for you. If it was, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. I will see you next time.